Good morning, all of you. Myself, Vivek Mane, would like to take the lecture on energy and environment subject. In this lecture, we will see the India's energy's current situation. India's energy current situation. Nowadays, India's energy sector become one of the most vital component due to the increase in infrastructural activities. Means nowadays there are the various infrastructural activities has been grown up. So due to the increase in the infrastructural activities which affects the Indian economical growth, and therefore it is also one of the largest industrial industries in our India. So it is nothing but the one of the positive thing. The Indian market is going to in upward direction in the form of the production, in the form of the development, etc. India has fifth largest electricity generating country and the sixth largest energy consumer country with respect to the percentage of the global energy consumption. Means with respect to the consumption of the global energy, the India has the fifth number for electricity generating concern, and India has the number sixth number for the energy consumer concern. So the India's energy demand has now become grown up to 3.6 percentage with respect to the global energy consumption per year. Means overall world, the India has the demand is about 3.6 percentage with respect to our the global energy consumption rate. Such consumption of the energy is directly proportional to the progress of manpower with increasing amount of the population, means growing of the population, the improvement in the living standard of the humanity, and the development of the industries sector in our country. So these are the 3 to 4 main factors which is nothing but they increase the consumption of the energy. Recently, smart grid technology, this is the very important technology. We can say that the smart grid technology, we will see such technology in detail afterwards. So recently smart grid technology has used by us in our energy scenario. Scenario means the current situation. So in our scenario, in our current situation, we utilize the smart grid technology. The smart grid refers means it is nothing but the electric power systems which increase or enhances the grid reliability as well as the efficiency of the energy, and it get operated automatically, and it use the response automatically to the system disturbances. So the Indian power sector has made the remarkable the progress since from the independence. Means after the 1947, we increase our consumption as well as the production rate of the generation of the energy in the form of electricity, in the form of any other concern. The total installed capacity of the energy generation is about 1362 million watt hours in 1947, and nowadays it will become the more than 2 lakhs million watt hour in our recent years. So let we see here what is the indication of the MW. What is meant by the MW? MW means the million watt hour. So let we understand the concept of the watt hour. So please see here meaning of watt hour means if we used 60 watt bulb for 1 hour, then how much energy get consumed by us, which is known as the 60 watt hour. So simply we can say if we utilize the 1 watt for 1 hour continuously, then we can utilize the energy, or we can say the energy consumption is equal to 1 watt hour. So with respect to that, such a unit is nothing but a million watt hour is generally used at the time of the record maintaining. So let we consider the next point. The transmission network has now changed from the isolated system. There was used the isolated system for generation as well as the distribution of the energy, which was the limited to the concerned urban as well as the industrial areas. But by using the smart grid technology, it can be distributed in our country uniformly as well as the rapidly. Next point is the Indian government has allotted certain numbers of the corporation companies like the State Electricity Board, which is known as the SEB. For our example purpose, we can take the example of MSEB, means Maharashtra State Electricity Board, etc. The next corporation company is known as the National Thermal Power Corporation. Short form of that is NTPC. Such NTPC project is available at Vijapur districts. So this is nothing but one of the NTPC project which has been in progress of the construction since from 3 to 4 years ago. After that, the next corporation company is the National Hydroelectric Power Corporation, which is known as NHPC as a short form of that. Then the Power Grid Corporation Limited, which is known as the PGCL. These are the 4 to 5 types of the corporation companies led by the Indian government, which is or which is useful to fulfill the requirement as well as the production of the energy, production purpose of that energy. However, even after this uh, implementation of various corporation company, the India is facing average power shortage up to 10.9%, as well as India face the shortage of peak demand up to 13.8% respectively. So let we see some facts about the scenario which is known as the current situation of the power sector in our India. The Indian power sector is the one of the most diversified power sectors in the world. What is meant by the diversified? When we consider the meaning in Marathi, which is known as Vavidhyapurna, is the meaning of the diversified or the diversification. So the Indian power sector is the one of the most diversified power sectors in the world. The more amount of conventional resources, we should have to consider such point, mainly that more amount of conventional resources like the coal, lignite, natural gas, oil, hydropower, nuclear power are get utilized for power generation, and the very less amount of utilization of the non-conventional resources like the wind, solar, agriculture, and the domestic waste, etc. So we have to consider this point. This is nothing but our the current fact of Indian energy production concern. The demand of electricity in the country has been grown at a rapid rate. As we know that there is a rapid production, rapid growth into the infrastructural activities. So with respect to that, there is a rapid demand will get arises into the coming years in our India. So there is a expect to grow